Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix unable to access Meta Business Suite with this account. If you're seeing an access issue in Meta Business Suite, one simple troubleshooting method is to clear your browser's stored data. This can help remove outdated session information, cached files, or saved site data that may be interfering with access. In this walkthrough, we'll use a browser-based fix that is quick and easy to follow. Start by opening your browser. Make sure you're in the same browser where you usually try to access Meta Business Suite, since the stored data in that browser is what may be causing the issue. Once the browser is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This is where most browser settings and controls are located. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to the browser's main settings area, where you can manage privacy options, history, and stored website information. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section and click on it. This section contains the tools used to control browsing data, cookies, and other saved information. If Meta Business Suite is failing to load properly or recognizing the wrong account state, this is often the best place to start. Next, click on the option to delete browsing data. Depending on your browser version, the wording may be slightly different, but it should clearly refer to clearing browsing information or site data. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, select the time range and choose All Time. This is important because it ensures the browser removes all saved data related to previous sessions, not just recent activity. If you only clear the last hour or the last day, the issue may still remain. After selecting All Time, click Delete Data to confirm. The browser will begin clearing the stored information. This may take a few moments, especially if a large amount of cached data has built up over time. Once the process is complete, you can return to Meta Business Suite and try signing in again. In many cases, this refreshes the connection and resolves account access errors caused by corrupted or outdated browser data. As a final tip, after clearing your data, make sure to sign back in carefully using the correct account that has permission to access the business assets you need. That's it for this guide.